Welcome to a video on promotions. Promotions are a staple of every store, and Evolve offers you the choice to see them in action. If we price check an item, we will see the different promotions enabled on that item. The promotions in this video are not the only promotions available on Evolve POS. These are only some examples. Here we can see the buy X and get Y for Z price discount is enabled. In this example, if you buy 5 of an item at the regular price, then you get 1 at a discounted price of $0. On screen will be an example of a transaction using the X app for key and setting it to 6. The software will automatically separate 1 because it meets the discount criteria. Here is an example of a mix and match discount. Mix and match will allow you to choose some items before the discount is applied, and does not matter if they are the same product, only if they are part of the same discount. In this example, we are going to see 2 scans of Monster Energy drink. In the first scan, there is no discount applied. On the second scan of the item, notice how the price went down from $2.75 to $2.25. Also, notice how it applied to both items instead of only one item. You can notice that a new discount is applied to an item by the sales tag located to the left of the item. By pressing it, you'll be able to see a small summary of the type of discount that is currently affecting the item. That concludes our overview of the promotion functionality on Evolve POS.